Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. So, it's been crazy lately, and we don't need to get all into that, but I just too many things going on. So one thing that is just affecting me a little bit in my life is that the Joann fabric store that is by where I live is shutting down, just like the rest of them, as you all probably know already. They are unfortunately closing up all their stores. And so I went this week to get some more products from them. Here I have Park Lane paper pad that I want to share just because I thought it was such a cute find. It was one of the only ones this size that was left in my local store. And I looked through it and I was like, oh, that's actually really cute, and I'd like to share it with you guys. I also picked up some really cool, which I'll go through what I just put aside in a second, but these are some texture paste sets. So they come with the actual like knife that, you know, like the little plastic spreader to put the paste onto stencils. I haven't done that yet, and I was hoping that I'd be able to get a chance to do that. I also bought some of her Vicki Boutin, I think that's how you say it, Vicki Boutin. I bought some of the acrylic paints in her line, which I will show it in a different video, because I want to do some more gel printing. So I'm going to try to do some stenciling and gel printing and bring, you know, hopefully go over some of those on this channel. It'd be really exciting to get to do that. I am teaching a class in a couple weeks at a local community school. I'm hoping that it will actually run, because, you know, there's a chance that I won't get enough registrations for it or something, you know, because right now it's not, they're not doing well. The school actually is not getting very good enrollment at all. So, but if anyone, you know, is interested, you can comment below and let me know, and I'll get back, you know, get you the information. But it's in, you know, a school near where I live. So if you're not where I live, then I'm not going to be able, you know, it's not going to be like online or anything. So, and I'm not promoting this, you know, that I teach classes on this channel, because that's not what I'm doing this channel for at all. It just happens to be that someone asked me to do this paper crafting class that I've taught before for their community school. So what I put aside for a second is another item from Vicki Boutin. I guess that's how you say it. I actually got several of these ephemera packs, which are, you know, pretty big die cuts in there. Here's another one, and I got two more. Okay, so these were ones that I picked up a while ago. They're from the Mixed Media. I think that's the line that she has with her for the packs. What I wanted to do is show these, you know, to actually separate them out and show you what's in them. This one has quite a lot of things. Very pretty, very colorful. They're washi stickers, cardstock, like it's die cuts, and acetate inside. Okay, I'm going to show this one right now, and then the other three that I have I will show in the next video. So make sure you come back and subscribe so that you'll know that it's coming up. But I'm hoping to post it as soon as, you know, pretty soon after this video. But I want to cut them in half because I don't want to make both of them too long. Okay, so there's craft paper in here. There's pretty flowers. It's like a rainbow. Oh, that's cute. It's like a painter. Little roller. Here's some some colored pencils in a jar. Okay, so I think the theme is a little bit like, you know, mixed media, right? So she's And here's some little paints. Again, I'm gonna try to do gel printing soon because I just love doing that. It was once I started doing gel printing years ago, I got addicted to it. I haven't had a chance to do it too recently, but I'm hopefully gonna get some some videos up showing about gel printing, giving you some tips on different techniques. I also realized I haven't shown some of my other pieces of equipment that I have. There's a little cute rainbow. Yeah, so I've got a lot of different equipment that I will hopefully show in my future videos. Here's some of these die cuts that were in this. Vicki Boutin's ephemera pack. Here's some more. Let me just move this to the side so that I can show you the rest of this pack. Yeah, so I 2 years ago I bought one of the We Are Memory Keepers, or they call it We Are Makers now. One of their button presses, and I just haven't had a chance to play with that too much either. So I want to actually I haven't even opened it yet. So hopefully I can open it and show you what it's like if you in a future video. So yeah, so there's going to be a lot of variety coming up. I know I did a lot of stickers in the past. The stickers are still part of my life, but I'm not going to focus on them totally. And I never did. I'm going to show you different techniques, different tips that I have for paper crafting, all kinds of paper crafting. So this is cute. You got really cute die cuts. They're all die cuts too. They're not stickers, but that's okay because we can stick things on things. But there's these acetate. I guess they're just little watercolor smudges, which is cute. Here's a big Polaroid camera. Wow, that's retro. And one of these, that's the viewfinder. That's a thing people really think is cool nowadays. I remember playing with that when I was a kid, which hopefully doesn't age much. Tell everybody what my age is, but anyway, I don't really care. Here are some more acetates pieces, much bigger pieces. Oh, this is beautiful. They can be cut out and used in all kinds of different projects. Maybe even for that button maker, which I found out I could get all kinds of different shapes for different. I knew that anyway, but I didn't know they had something new that came out last year, or within the past year, that was a thing to make stickers, like puffy stickers. It's like an insert to use with the button maker that you can make stickers and make little shakers. So I'm looking into doing that too, and I'm hopefully get that soon. So here's just show you some of the papers that come with this ephemera pack. There's a lot of things in it, 325 pieces. These are just, nice cardstock papers. They're all very fun, beautiful, bright colors. Some ink splots, really cute. Here's some, oh, these are washi tape stickers. I can tell that they actually come up like a sticker. They're very thin, kind of plasticky, not so much like paper, but more like vinyl. Here's some stickers. Here's some words. And here's some more stickers. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of things from this from that line of Vicki Boutin's. She had a whole bunch of things at the, oh, sorry, I moved you. There was a whole area at my Joann's that's now going out of business that has all kinds of Vicki Boutin supplies and mixed media, products. So that's cool. That's really cool. I just want to go through here. This is a Park Lane, which is the Joann's, their specific brand of papers. yeah, so it's kind of sad they're no longer going to be around. Because I do like I do like a lot of the stuff that's, you know, specific to them. But anyway, here we go. Here's a first page, bunch of houses. It's cute, really colorful. Here's some like insects. Now, one of the reasons I got this was because I really like the pretty like florals. I love tiny little flowers like this that are all colorful. It's just really makes me happy. And here's some cute little images like mushrooms and cupcakes. You know, it's different, right? There are two pages. Okay, all together it's 48 sheets, so 24 different designs. And one of the reasons I like this too is because I have a lot of birthdays for girls in my family that are coming up that I would like to, you know, make them some cute, colorful, you know, girly kind of like cards and things. So maybe some tags and everything. So, oh, pretty. Here's some pretty rainbows, stripes. Now, this is another reason I picked it up, was because there's this foiling that's like holographic, which I love. I just love holographic looks. As you know, if you've seen my channel before, you know I'm really into that kind of look. You know, something like this isn't, I don't care about food like that. It's kind of cute, but this is what I thought it was much, you know, more like my style, and I wanted to pick it up for this type of stuff. Again, good for birthdays, birthday cards, tags, special projects for, you know, for kids. If you have any kids or grandkids, this is a cute, really cute pad, a paper for them. More mushrooms. Mushrooms are really still pretty popular. Here's some, like a special colored plaid. Pretty flowers. Yeah, so, you know, again, here's some cutaways. Again, you know, if you could please subscribe or share my videos. Give me a like so I can know that people are enjoying my videos. And, you know, comment. Let me know what you like to do, and if you're give me an idea if you're sad about Joann's and being out of business too. I know that's like something people are talking about online. I feel really, you know, it's just I've gone there for so many years that it just feels weird, right? Yeah. So, but I'm glad I got to go again and get some really cute products. So make sure to come back and see the rest of these ephemera packets from Vicki Boutin that I will open up and show in the next video. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.